Yeah, Enid. Quit running around like a weirdo.
Oh, you mean like you?
Ah, no, please!
Enid! Rad, you doofus! It was a joke! Rad!
Ah, my beef! It's all gone! You're gonna pay!
Your powers are gone! That's okay. The skeleton remote is our power now.
No! That remote is bad, I tell you! Just wait here. I'm gonna get you both back to normal!
Half day.
Yeah, sure.
Mr. Gar! Mr. Gar! Mr. Gar, please, are you in there? Oh! All right, there's gotta be someone around here who knows how to fix this.
Oh, it's you. How can I help, citizen?
Do you know how to change back from a skeleton?
KO, there are bigger problems here. There's villains everywhere. You can't... Oh gosh, I'm so sorry.
Don't worry about it. I'm fine.
You call this fine? I don't have a mouth because of him.
There. You'll adjust in time.
Sorry about that, KO. KO?
Gotta find someone who can fix Rad and Enid.
Perhaps I can help. After all... Never mind.
Sorry, I thought he was attacking you. Sorry. I said I was sorry.
Dendy! Gotta find a way to solve this problem. That's it.
Thank you kindly, stranger.
Mr. Problem Solver,
What do you want, Tall Socks?
is there any way to change back from a skeleton?
Oh, no. It's totally irreversible.
You mean my friends will be skeletons forever?
Wouldn't be a very good product if it didn't do what I sang, now would it? Thank you kindly, stranger.
No, thank you! One death ray, please.
Skeleton remote.
Wait.
And thank you.
I thought you sang these were for heroes.
The kid's right! What are you trying to pull?
Folks, there's no need to worry, 'cause you'll have all the power, be the heroes of the hour with the brand new 3-pronged automatic skeleton remotes.